Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Aren't these tulips beautiful? Would you believe that these are not real tulips? I know after a long cold winter, I am so ready for spring and spring flowers, and to bring some into my house just makes me happy every time I see it. But with fresh flowers, they die after a few days and you have to get new ones. But with these, they're everlasting, permanent botanicals. One thing I love about these is the vase is very heavy duty, and it even looks like there is real water in this. So it looks very natural. Another thing I really love is tulips. If you've ever noticed when you have them, the stems tend to grow all different ways because they are affected by gravity and light. These stems have a nice wire in them, so you can bend these to look however you want, just like the real ones. The leaves on these are stunning as well, a beautiful, happy green. I have been loving these all over my house because, well, look at them. They're darling. But that's just my point of view.